A store has clearance items that have been marked down by 25%. They have a sale that advertises an additional 45% off clearance items. What percent of the original price do you end up paying? You need to be careful here because we cannot just add these percents together and say the discount was 70%, therefore we pay 30%. This would not be correct. So let's take this one step at a time. First, if the discount is 25%, notice how you would pay 75% since 100% minus 25% equals 75%. Next, if the discount is 45%, you'd end up paying 55%. 100% minus 45% equals 55%. So the quickest and easiest way to answer this question would be to answer the question, what is 55% of the discounted price, which is 75% of the original price? So if we can answer the question, what is 55% of 75%, we'll know what percent of the original price we end up paying. To find the percent of a number, we convert the percent to a decimal and multiply. So 55% as a decimal would be 0.55 times, to be consistent, let's also convert 75% to a decimal, which would be 0.75. Now we'll multiply. 0.55 times 0.75 is 0.4125. Convert to a percentage, we would have 41.25%. Move the decimal point to the right 2 places and add a percent sign, or multiply by 100, add a percent sign, which means this is the percent we would pay after the 2 discounts. So you pay 41.25% of the original price. Notice how if we take 100% and subtract 41.25%, we actually get 58.75%, which ends up being the discount percentage after these 2 discounts. So notice how the discount is not 70%, it's actually 58.75%. Now if this approach is confusing, there's probably a more intuitive way to do this. For example, if we consider the original price was $100, let's determine the ending sale price. So if the price was $100 and we take off 25%, we could ask, what is 75% of $100? That would be 0.75 times $100, which of course would be $75. Then this price is going to be discounted 45%. Then this price will be discounted 45%, so we pay 55% of $75. So the next question could be, what is 55% of $75? Well, we'd have 0.55 times $75, which does come out to $41.25. So now you can see the connection here. If the original price was $100 and you pay $41.25, that means you end up paying 41.25% of the original price. So there are several ways to answer this question, but we cannot just add these percents together and subtract that amount from 100%. I hope you found this helpful.